Yesterday, a child came out to wander, caught a dragonfly inside a jar. Fearful when the sky was full of thunder, and tearful at the falling of a star. Then the child moved 10 times round the seasons, skated over 10 clear frozen streams. Words like "when you're older" must appear